So a quick update. I'm waiting to go back to the Tyson's office to get the set of teeth that they made overnight. And they put my old teeth back in, and they put these temporary pink coverings over the access holes to where they drill to get the teeth in and out. And this white stuff is Wrigley's gum. It's chewing gum, because those two access holes were cutting my tongue. So the last 24 hours has been it was cutting my tongue up. They were kind of like raw edges. So I chewed up some gum and put it on there overnight. And so if I'm talking, it was getting ripped up, the underside of my tongue and the tip of my tongue. If I was trying to eat, or even just resting, it was so sharp. 2 access holes. So put the gum on there, and then I was able to eat awkwardly and talk like right now. I could talk with this gum on there. So anyway, I'm waiting to go back, and it's the following day. So the first day was the appointment, the checkup to see how the implants were doing, and Dr. Fadi said they looked great, and my only issue was like using a water pick, which I still can't do. It's super sensitive, the gum line, and there was some abrasion on the gum line from not being able to get under there and having food trapped. So they cleaned the teeth and the gum line, and the water jet they used was pretty sensitive again on those areas, but I'll go over in depth what my concerns were and what their responses were from yesterday's appointment. And then after I get my teeth today, I'll jump back on and show you the teeth, and if I ever get them, because I haven't heard. So I'm an hour away. I haven't heard yet when my appointment is. So it's 2 o'clock. They were telling me sometime after 2. So we'll see how that all goes. All right, so aloha, ahui ho from Mystic Bee Sanctuary, coming to you from Maryland. Aloha.